Truck cooking with the TRUCKERSLIFE78 spicy shrimp stir fry.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.
Alright, y'all, and here we go. Hope y'all can hear me. I still got my headset on. I forgot to take it off. I'll take it off in my next cut. But we got some oil going in. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. We're gonna let that get nice and hot. We're gonna let this get hot. Okay, well, let's go. We got my trifecta right here for this dish. We got onions. We got some Thai chili going in. Yes, fresh Thai chili. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Alright, we're back, y'all. Yes, I got a soda. You got to see it. It's a squirt, ruby red squirt. But we got some ginger. Don't want to put too much ginger, because that's a mighty powerful bite right there. I love ginger though. We got the ginger. We got the garlic. Chopped garlic. Ooh, that smell. Ooh, it's strong. Put that away. We got the salt. Pepper. Oyster sauce. Just a little bit of oyster sauce. Give it some. Shake it real quick. A little bit of oyster sauce in here. There we go. We're gonna turn the heat back up a little bit. Get it mixed around. And I know I already got the Thai chili peppers, but I got chili oil right here from PF Chang's. It's crazy, I got 2 of these for free from PF Chang's, of all places. It is crazy. I didn't know that a lot of people watch my videos that don't subscribe. If you watch my videos, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We're going to take some of this chili oil right in there. Good amount of it. That's the pure flavor right here. You know, it's PF Chang's, y'all. This ain't the cheap stuff. But I just have to get it for free. So, you know, PF Chang's, they make these scratch. That popping up. So we got some bean sprouts. We're gonna put some bean sprouts in. I love bean sprouts, y'all. Especially when they're cooked. And then we're gonna take some shrimp. shrimp in. Then lastly, the mushrooms. Yes, I'm in a truck with I think I got 3 of these, 3 chopping boards. And they go right here. I'm gonna take this, we're gonna mix it around. Like SpongeBob say, bring it around town. That mushroom fell out. Nope. I might need more chili powder. I wish I had some shredded papaya. That would go good with this. More chili powder. I mean, not powder. Chili sauce. It's not just for flavor, it's also for color too. It gives it a good flavor though. Mix it up. And honestly, this is just gonna go over the coconut jasmine rice that I got. Where'd I put it? Right here. Coconut jasmine rice. Shit, it's already cooked. I just got to heat it up. Oh, this smells good. This is my first time cooking this, so if you got suggestions, leave a comment. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook and about 100 minutes. What's up? Okay, hold on, time out. We got the rice done. We got the shrimp stir-fried this in. Put it right there. Green sprouts on there. That right there. And yes, I'm gonna have to use a plastic spoon. Ooh, this is spicy. I like it. Scoop it in. That's what I gotta do. Hey, don't judge me. I'm a truck driver. I'm part of what keeps this country moving. So can't hate on us. You gotta love us. Because everything in your house comes from us. There we go. But hey, what y'all think? Let me see. Who's gonna hate? Who's gonna hate on this? Beautiful. Ooh wee. But hey y'all. We gone.